You know, it's funny you should ask. Your partner's been complaining that you've been snoring more. And snoring's not healthy for you, it's not healthy for your partner. It's one of the reasons you're cranky and tired all the time. It can also cause problems with your blood pressure. There's a procedure called the lingual somnoplasty, which uses the energy like a microwave oven to shrink the back of your tongue. So if you want to learn about lingual somnoplasty, just call my office and make an appointment.